Hi, my name is Ridwan Ahmed. My student ID number is W1996052. This is my final year project. My project name is Flowgrade. Is a self-regulated learning website which allows students to consolidate their notes. It also allows students to manage their grades and be on task with upcoming deadlines. And hosted on Netlify. I have used this as it is a free service and was very easy and quick to deploy my website. My website is also connected to an SQL database. As you can see in the servers, we have the Flowgrade Cloud and my two databases. Here is an example of my database from previous testings where I have tested user signups and sign-ins. If we go to my website, here you can see that the backend is live. This is a confirmation that everything is running well. Here on my GitHub, I have my code saved, so you can go through my website code and the server code, the back and the front end code. My render dashboard, you can see that my projects have all been deployed, my database is deployed, everything is running well. Now let's move on to the website. For new users who have never been onto the website, can create an account. But for existing users, they can press it and sign into their account. But for in this case, we're going to create a new account. So we enter the name. Email. And the password must match, and they must not be weak as well. So you can see it's not working. It's too weak, so it has to be a very strong password, otherwise it won't work. So now that we've logged in, this is the dashboard where the user will be able to manage their upcoming deadlines, their notes, module breakdown, and current grades. Here we can press new task. We can add an assignment. So let's say, for example, lab questions. Science. And we can press onto the calendar and choose a date. So let's say tomorrow. Confirm and save. And here you can see we have an upcoming event, a deadline you can press, and it will show you exactly how long till this is due. You can also delete the task, but we'll go through that at the end. On the left we have a navigation bar which you can use to navigate through the website. If we go into the study planner, here we can add all the tasks and we can also delete all the tasks. Next, if we move on to the grade tracker, you can press onto this plus and you can import any grade. So test module, lab exam 1. You can enter the weigh-in, the score. You can also do that again. Test module, lab exam 2. And this should calculate your average module score, and it allows you to add other modules as well, so it's not just restricted to one. Show it quickly. So you can see it allows you to add other grades and modules. Lastly, you can go on to the note vault, where here you can organize and keep your notes tidy. A lot of students have notes all over the place and do not know where their notes are. This part of the website is very useful, as it can help students a lot with consolidating their notes and keeping it nice and tidy. So if we add another title, example, we can add the module code, for example, and some research. So start some research and confirm and save. Here you can see that it comes up, it shows the title, the module code, some of what you have wrote, but once you open it up, it will expand and show the whole thing. You can delete the note, and you can also edit the note, which is a good thing. Helps users with their work. Lastly, if we go back to the overview page, you can see everything is where it should be. On average grade, our deadlines, our notes, our module breakdown, everything is accessible from one place. You can also press onto the view all and add whatever you need to add. And yes, that's all. Thank you for listening.